guys, it's me Peggy. Today I'll be going to share with you guys the Valentine's Day makeup look. First of all, I'm not a very professional makeup artist, so I hope you guys enjoy and like my video. Let's go!
So, starting by using a green color makeup base to cover up the reddish part of my skin. Apply foundation starting from the center of your face and spread it around, and don't forget your neck too. Using a concealer to cover up your under eye area, blood vessel under your nose, and also blemishes. You can use the leftover to cover up the reddish part near your eye. You can use the white side of the brush to tap in the concealer, then use it to get rid of the boundaries made. Then, use your finger to finish it off. I usually do this step to let the concealer kind of melt into my skin. Next up, I'll use a concealer that is in light pinky shade to kind of conceal and also highlight your face to give a glowy effect, and pat it gently using a beauty blender. You can always add another layer if you're not satisfied instead of apply thick layer once in a time. Then, use the powder on your eye so that your eye makeup lasts a long time. Moving on to the eye, it will be more pinkish and glittery. First, use the nude color as the base, apply it all around your eye. Use a shimmery maroon as the main color and apply on your end and start off your upper lash line. And also the end of your lower lash line. Apply shimmery deep pink color at the end of the upper and lower lash line. Next, apply the glittery coral on the center of your eyelid and underline. Soften the edges by using a blending brush. You may add the glittery coral again to emphasize the look. Next, using a gel eyeliner to draw your waterline to not giving any skip spaces for your eye makeup. Since I didn't apply any fake lashes for this eye makeup, so curl your eyelashes. And apply a thick amount of mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. To finish your eye makeup, apply a little rose quartz color on the front of your eyes to give a shimmer. You can dab some foundation around your eye area to make sure it is clean. Moving on to the eyebrow area, using a brow pencil to draw the shape and kind of do a frame for your eyebrow. And use a spoolie brush to soften it. Fill in the empty space with a brow powder. I'll then use the same brow powder to contour each side of the bridge of my nose. Using a concealer to clean up the edges of your brow. You may also use your fingertips to dab and soften it. Apply some highlighter on your nose bridge, forehead, brow bone, cheekbone, on top of your lips and chin. To make your face look smaller, shading each side of your face. And also the lower part of your lips. And you may start to blend. Blend the highlighter part first using a beauty blender. Then only come to the shading part using another side of the beauty blender.
I don't wanna see you breaking away apart from me with somebody else. No, I see through your heart.
Using a lip product as my blush, while I'll use it as my lip color as well for this makeup look. Apply the e.l.f. light rose color as well as MLBB color on the center part of my lips. Using a cotton bud to soften the edges.
I just can't stand it. The warmth that you give in this place left me the scar.
Put on some makeup setting spray to hold your makeup last longer. And we are done for the Valentine's Day makeup.
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Or if you have any questions